Good morning, you guys. Let's go to the gym. Alexa, play Spotify. Alexa, pause. Mood because it is 73 degrees outside in New York and it's gonna get to 77. What? I'm so excited. So I was like, I need to be out and about, even though I do have to come back for a fun appointment that I can't wait to show you guys. I have to go run some errands. Let me put on some shorts because it's over 70 degrees. Let's go! We're heading to our first errand of the day. I have to go to B&H Photo to make a return. We can literally see the Empire State Building right there in the distance, which is just so fun and exciting. This weather is just making me the happiest human in the entire world. My personality has just elevated. It's the best feeling. Also, this is MSG. We're still manifesting getting to go to MSG. God, it's so nice outside. The most pure situation just happened. I was standing at a street corner. This woman was like, oh my gosh, I love your sweater. And then I learned that she was a creative. We exchanged numbers and her name is Olivia. So shout out to Olivia. If you ever watch this, you probably won't, but it's okay. But she was so sweet. Hi. Hi, Boo.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Bye, guys. Yes, you should. have a fun appointment. I am having West Elm come in. They're doing a design appointment with me. I'm really excited. We had a phone call last week. They drafted a mock-up of what their vision was. Really liked it. It was definitely my aesthetic, and I sent them like Pinterest boards. I love that it was a really collaborative experience, and now they're actually coming into the apartment to take measurements, and we're gonna just chat a little bit more about the space. That is a free service that West Elm offers. I think that's so cool. I thought that it was actually really informative. I think something that made me want to do it was, I know that I have a creative eye, but it's so different with home decor. It just is. My style and my taste is really nice. Like, I would say that I have a good eye for that. However, especially with home items, and especially because they are way higher priced items usually, I don't want to mess up. I think that's my fear. Like, I don't want to mess up. And yes, you could argue you can't really mess up this process because it is my apartment. Everything I bring into the space is obviously very true to me. But I remember telling you guys that I just wanted to be really intentional about how I curate this space. So that is exactly why they're coming on in, helping me, guiding me, giving me some tips and advice. I'm excited to take you guys through it. Okay, let's let them up.
Okay.
Of course. And this is mine.
Oh, it's so cute.
Yeah, and like the view is like my favorite part. Like I can see the Empire State Building, which is so nice. Yeah.
So nice.
So really, I really wanted to get measurements for this.
Of course.
Whatever you
See
need.
what.
The kitchen's amazing. I love the kitchen. The kitchen makes me so happy.
Wow.
And hearing it from you guys, which is nice because you guys are the experts. And then we were ones in the building, so I was like, I got lucky.
Yes.
I definitely want a nightstand. Like, I have all these books that I don't know where to put them
Okay.
yet.
It'll say 66 inches to 98, whatever.
Is that the Hampton? Or is it the Harmony Mod?
Bleecker.
76.
Yeah.
And that's still enough.
Or,
Yeah. I want to say, is that 35?
Love these. Like this rug is so cute. Like I love. So like when you presented this, I was like, oh, cool. Okay. So is this couch super comfy?
it says it's 42.
If we put it against the wall, is that hitting? And then what I would do is, flameless candles is going to add a little glimmer here.
The design appointment went so well. They were so detailed. They measured everything. They showed me some stunning pieces that they had in mind, and I'm looking forward to fine-tuning everything. So the process really will be in multiple steps. This is definitely going to be a work in progress. I don't need to get everything right now, but it is nice to see how the space really can come alive and how they explained it and showed me things. I was just, I'm so excited! I'm so excited. We have had a productive day so far. Now I need to get actual work done. Well, I have been working throughout the day a little bit. I'm gonna go to a coffee shop to get some work done for a few hours. Today was a super productive day. I feel really good about everything I accomplished. I am so tired. What time is it? Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 8:11 p.m.
Now it's time to wind down for bed. I put on this super cute set that I just got. I've never been a PJs pajamas girl, like a matching set girl, but they're so cute. I still have a little bit of work to do before I go to bed, but I like to work while I watch TV at night. I'm happy that I kind of just showed you how day-to-day life goes for the most part. some outdoor things, some indoor activities, working, getting things done, being productive. That's kind of where my happy place is. So today was a very realistic day of a little bit of work and what I do, but also some fun apartment updates. I'm so excited for what's to come at the apartment as well. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe if you are new here. Also thumbs up this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.